So not only are we doing this open house, I'm probably going to let you guys also try and do some demos. So since I got your attention with possibly some demos, I'm going to take you for a ride on a Hustler mower here real quick. So let's go. If you like what you see, you should probably come out and test drive one. I got some battery electric weed whackers we can demo too. Check it out. Like I said, we're going to do some demos. I would definitely recommend y'all come out and check it out because I think you're going to enjoy the day. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you here in November. Like I said, open house, Best Line Equipment Mechanicsburg. My name's Josh. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.